Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to play eFootball with a controller. First, connect your controller to your gaming platform, whether it's a console or PC. Make sure it's fully charged or has fresh batteries for uninterrupted gameplay. Once connected, launch eFootball and head straight to the controller settings. Here, you'll confirm your device is recognized and can customize button layouts to your preference, ensuring a smooth start to your match. Mastering basic movement is key. The left analog stick controls your player's direction, allowing precise navigation across the pitch. For passing, a quick tap of the short pass button delivers the ball accurately to a nearby teammate. If you want to create a scoring opportunity, hold the through ball button to send a pass into open space, leading your striker towards goal. Experiment with the right analog stick for quick dribbles and skill moves. When attacking, shooting is paramount. A simple press of the shoot button will send the ball towards the net. For more power, hold the button down, but remember that longer holds can decrease accuracy. To create chances from the wings, use the cross button to deliver aerial balls into the penalty area for your forwards. Effective attacking involves combining precise dribbling with quick 1-2 passes to dismantle your opponent's defense. Effective defending is crucial for winning matches. Use the pressure button to have your player automatically close down the opponent with the ball, forcing errors. For a standing tackle, hold the tackle button to dispossess the attacker cleanly. If you need a more aggressive approach, the slide tackle button can win the ball, but be careful not to concede a foul. Remember to switch players quickly using the player change button to cover open spaces and maintain defensive shape.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.